Jai Gurudev students, in the first part we had completed the introduction of the lesson lines and angle. In that we have seen two types of the lines, intersecting lines and the parallel lines. When two lines are intersecting, they form the four angles. Let's see theorem 6.1. If the two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. Means here these two lines are intersecting at the point O. That's why we can say O is a point of intersection. So this and this angle is equal. They are opposite to each other, and this angles are equal. We have to show in this theorem. For that, whenever the theorem we have to prove, what we have to write? First given, then to prove, and the proof and diagram. These four things we have to write in the theorem when we are solving the theorem. So what is given? Two lines AB and CD intersect each other at the O. Are you finding AB and CD are the two lines which are intersecting at the O? What we have to prove? To prove angle AOC opposite to which BOD, both are equal. Next is AOD is equal to BOC. Given, written, to prove, and diagram we had drawn. Now we will prove that. Okay. So we have seen that in the first part, that is axiom of a linear pair. When we are saying that ray OC stand on the line AB, they form a pair of linear angle. That is angle AOC plus BOC is equal to 180 degree. We will call this as equation 1 by linear pair axiom 1. From where we had written? We had written by the linear pair axiom. Now adjacent to this ray, which is OB. So we will say OB is a ray stand on which line? That is a CD. That's why we can say here, when these OB stand on this line, straight line, which two angles they are making the pair? That is linear pair. That is BOC plus BOD is equal to 180 degree. Have you seen here? Ray OB stand on the line CD. So angle BOC plus angle BOD is equal to 180 degree. This we will call this as equation 1. This we will call as equation 2. From which basis we have written? Same, by linear pair axiom. From equation 1 and 2, the right hand side of both the equation is 180 degree. 180 degree means equal. When RHS is equal, LHS is also equal. If LHS is equal means what we had written? What is the LHS of this equation? Angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to angle BOC plus angle BOD. Now are you finding that on both the side of equal sign, angle BOC is common. That's why we are going to cancel it. So what is left? Angle AOC is equal to BOD. Angle AOC is equal to BOD. This is one of the pair of a vertically opposite angle. Now we have to show this and this. Then what we are going to consider for that? We will say OB is a ray stand on this line and adjacent this OD. And similarly we can say here, we can prove angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. From this theorem we had proved that vertically opposite angles are equal when the two lines intersect each other at the point. This theorem we are going to use in the coming exercise, that is exercise 6.1. We will start. First problem. In the figure, lines AB and CD intersect at O if angle AOC and angle BOE is equal to 70 degree and angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. Find BOE and reflex of COE. Are you finding? Whatever the given, that we will write, that is lines AB and CD intersect at O. Are you finding? This is a line AB and this is a line CD. Both are intersect each other. That's why vertically opposite angles are equal, means this angle is equal to this. And what they had given, angle BOD. Are you finding? BOD is equal to 40 degree. So what is opposite of this? Is a 40 degree. And what we had to find here, BOE, that we will see afterward, and reflex of COE. We will start this problem. And here also we have to keep in the mind, they had given angle AOC, not this, and BOE, their sum is a 70 degree. So the solution we will see here, lines AB and CD intersect at O, therefore angle AOC is equal to BOD. But BOD they had given 40 degree. So what is the value of AOC? Is a 40 degree. Now next they had given AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 degree. Just we had find AOC is a 40 degree. So can we keep the 40 degree in this equation to get BOE? 40 degree plus BOE is equal to 70 degree. So from this 40 degree we will shift to the right hand side. So 70 degree minus 40 degree means we will get angle BOE is equal to 30 degree. Okay, now means here BOE, this I will got here 30 degree. Now AOB is a line. When it is a line, then we can say AOC, COE and BOE is equal to 180 degree because of the linear pair. Okay. So out of this I am having AOC 40 degree, COE don't know, plus 30 degree which is equal to 180 degree. So angle COE plus 40 plus 30 degree means 70 degree which is equal to 180 degree. So angle COE is equal to, we will shift 70 degree to the right hand side. So we will get COE is equal to 110 degree because 180 degree minus 70 degree is 110 degree. COEs they had asked reflex COE. When reflex COE we had to find in the definition, in the first part we had seen that is reflex of any angle is equal to 360 degree minus that angle. Means 360 degree minus angle COE which is 110 degree which is nothing but 250 degree. Therefore reflex angle COE is equal to 250 degree. Second problem. In the figure, lines XY and MN intersect at a O. Are you finding it is intersect at O? If POY 90 degree and A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3, find C. Okay, they have given A and B's ratio, that is 2 is to 3. And they have given in the problem POY is 90 degree. Now we know very well as this XY is a line, on that OP is a raised stand on the line. Therefore angle POY plus angle POX is equal to 180 degree. Out of this they have given here, this is a 90 degree. So what we will get, POX is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree means POX is equal to 90 degree. But POX is made by the two angles, angle A and angle B. So we will say A plus B is equal to 90 degree. But we are not having the value of A and B. But they have given A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. When ratio they are giving, that time we are going to consider let A is equal to 2x. That we have to take some constant with this. And B is equal to 3x. Okay. So what we will get here in the equation 1. we will substitute the value of a and b, that is 2x plus 3x is equal to 90 degree. 2x plus 3x means 5x is equal to 90 degrees. So x is equal to 90 degree. Divide, this is in multiplication. When it will goes to right, it is in division, and we will get the answer of x is 18 degree. So what we got here, the value of x is equal to 18 degree. But they haven't asked x value. We are having the two angles A and B. A is nothing but we have taken as a 2x, means 2 into 18 degree means 36 degree. And B is equal to 3x means 3 into 18 degree means 54 degree. Now we have to find the value of a C. Are you finding MON is a straight line? On this straight line, OX is a raised tan, means angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree because of a linear pair. Out of that angle B we know that is 54 degree. So we will substitute here the value of a B, which is equal to 54 degree, plus C, which is equal to 180 degree. So C is equal to 180 degree minus 54, because we are shifting. We have to find the value of C. That's why C is equal to 126 degree. Next, third. In the figure, this figure, are you finding this is a triangle? This is a line, straight line ST. In this, they have given here PQR. Okay, means this angle PRQ means PRQ. Both angles are equal. Okay, this angle and this angle are equal. Then prove that this and this angle is also equal. Now on which concept here we will use? That is a linear pair. How? The ray OP, the ray that is QP stand on the line ST. QP stand on the line ST. Therefore PQS and PQR means PQR plus PQS. This angle plus this angle is 180 degree. Why? Linear pair. Again second, RP ray stand on the line, again same line ST. Therefore PRQ plus angle PRT is equal to 180 degree, linear pair. From 1 and 2, again you are finding 180 degree is equal, right hand side is equal, therefore left hand side is equal. What is left? Angle PQR plus angle PQS is equal to PRQ plus angle PRT. But in the given, they had given here as PQR is equal to PRQ, means these two angles are equal, means one angle we can replace by, so I am going to replace PRQ by PQR. So PQR plus PQS is equal to PQR plus PRT. Are you finding both the side of equal? This PQR is there, that's why it is going to be a cancel. What is left now? Angle PQS is equal to PRT. Next, fourth. In the figure, if x plus y is equal to w plus z, then prove that AOB is a line. Till the third problem, what we have proved, we have taken the help of intersecting lines they had given and rays stand on the line they have given, and we have proved that a linear pair. But in this problem, we have to prove that AOB is a line. This AOB is a line we have to prove. Means here we have to prove that one pair of a linear pair, one of the pair form a linear. Okay. So as we know that sum of the angles around the point is 360 degree. We know very well around the point whatever the angles are forming, their sum is a 360 degree. Therefore, in this figure we are finding four angles X, Y, Z, W. So we are going to get X plus Y plus Z plus W is equal to 360 degree. But it's given that x plus y is nothing but z plus w. or z plus w is equal to x plus y. So in the first equation, in place of z plus w, I am going to replace this x plus y. So x plus y is equal to 360 degree. 1x plus 1x, 2x, 1y plus 1y, 2y is equal to 360 degree. 2 is a common from here. X plus y is equal to 360 degree. This 2 I will shift here. I will get here x plus y is equal to 360 degree divided by 2 means x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Since here we got sum of these two angle is equal to 180 degree and they are the adjacent angle. Therefore, by linear pair axioms 2, AOB is a line made up of two opposite rays. Which are two opposite rays? OA and OB. Therefore, AOB is a straight line. Okay. Thank you.